You know what I love? So I get vanilla ice cream and I put olive oil on it and sea salt. I don't know, so many people that I've showed it to, I've brought to the dark side.
Oh, meron tayong, alam ko meron kami nun eh. Na-curious ako dun sa buwisit na yun eh. Sabi daw, ano yung sabi niya? Vanilla ice cream, olive oil, at saka asin. So, since mag-alas 12 na ng madaling araw, subukan natin. Yan. So, kuha tayo ng olive oil. Ayan, pomace olive oil. Pwede na yan. Asin. Wala tayo rock salt eh, pero subukan natin asin. Ay na ito. Ito eh. Yun o. Nasubukan. So, kung si Dua Lipa, may mga kakaibang type eh. So, sabi daw niya, welcome to the dark side daw. So, titingnan natin kung anong lahat. Okay? So, kasama ko ngayon yung anak ko. Okay? So, konti lang. Ang mamaya hindi natin makain. Okay? So, sayang ang ice cream. So, meron pa tayong olive oil. Drizzle lang daw. Okay. Tapos, a little bit of asin.
I think that's sugar.
No. Asin. And, the moment of truth. Okay naman. Dua Lipa yung mga trip ko sa buhay Tikman natin. Okay. May alat, syempre may asin. Tapos may matamis. Yung olive oil, hindi ko Pwede. Ingay nung anak ko eh. Sarap. Pwede nga. Want to try? No. It's okay. How about you?
I only tasted the vanilla. You didn't give me the piece.
Hindi, oo.
I got my more than taste that it's weird, like slightly but I mostly taste the ice cream.
Anyway, pwede na. Duluay pa yung mga mo Nga.